Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, the 19th. It is a little bit before lunchtime, and I thought I would show you guys some quick fraction review. I know we sent a lot of fraction stuff home with our packets this past week. If you still haven't gotten that, go to school or ask someone to go to school for you so you can pick it up and get that work done, because believe it or not, it does still have to be turned in. So, to start us off, yes, I have a whiteboard in my house. I am a teacher. That's how life works. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a couple quick things with fractions. First, we're going to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions, and then vice versa, improper back to mixed number. And then we'll see how much time we've got and go from there. So if you want to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, mixed number is going to look like this. Let's just call it 4. Let's call it 4 and 5/6. If you want to convert this number into an improper fraction, and all an improper fraction is a fraction that's the numerator is bigger than the denominator. All you have to do is you multiply your whole number times your denominator, and then add that to your numerator. So 4 times 6, which is 24. I'm not going to pause like the Dora the Explorer. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus your numerator, 24 plus 5 is 29. So that number that you just found, 29, is your new numerator. And just like with fractions, or typically how it is with fractions, your denominator stays the same the whole time. So your denominator would still be 6. So there's your improper fraction. Easy peasy. Whole number times denominator plus your numerator. Ta-da! Now if you want to convert your improper fraction back into a mixed number, so like if you solve your problem and you're left with an improper fraction, we don't leave them like that. They're not pretty. So we need to put them into mixed number form. So if this was the improper fraction that you got from your addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever, all you would have to do is you divide the numerator by your denominator. So it would look just like this. 6 would be your divisor. You would go on the outside. And 29 would be your dividend. Goes on the inside. So you would think to yourself, can 6 go into 2? No, nothing. Nothing works there. Then you move over. Can 6 go into 29? Yes, and you think to yourself, how many times could 6 go into 29? See, we've got 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, that's pretty close. Let's keep going. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, 24, that's pretty close to 29. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 is going to be too much, so we're not going to use 5. We'll use 4. So you would write that. You'd write your 4 on top of your 29 over the 9 because you're going into all of 29. So 6 times 4, like we said, is 24. And then we subtract. 29 minus 24 is 5. And oh gosh, we've got a remainder. Heaven help us, what do? I'll tell you. Your remainder becomes your new numerator. So that would come up here, become your numerator, and your denominator, just like I said over here, stays the same the whole time. So your denominator would be 6. So your number above your dividend, your 4 is your whole number. 5, your remainder, it becomes your numerator. 6 stays your denominator. 4 and 5, 6 is the same thing as 29 over 6. And I just showed you that up there as well. If you got any questions, hit me up. Ask me on Dojo, on Live Grades, on my email, which I can tell you is Jordan.Sandlin at K12 westvirginia.us. So if you got any questions, you can email me there as well. All right, y'all. I'll leave this here. If you got anything else to say, any comments, any questions, let me know.